TDS, topping delivery system. I invented it, I think.
Bake and rise. Oh, I thought he said bacon fries.
Yeah? Did I hear bacon fries?
No, bake and rise. It's got a perforated edge.
Yeah, and? You think it's gonna work? That's funny.
It's Food Line brand.
Yeah, and? You think that's gonna work? Huh? Huh? So the expensive high-end DiGiorno and Frashettas can't work, but the low-end... Hey, look the hell. Hey, it's like Plinko.
For crispier crust, remove pizza from packaging.
Huh?
For softer crust, remove pizza from packaging.
Does it seriously say that?
Well, it's place pizza directly on center oven or place pizza on baking.
Haven't we done enough pizza videos?
It's been a while. And we have not done the Food Line bacon rise crust pizza. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this pizza in the oven.
You're gonna put a bun in the oven?
Pizza. We're gonna put the pizza in the oven, and then what's gonna happen is it's gonna be ready just like this.
And that tells me it must be done.
You mean like it beeped just a few minutes ago?
Of course not. It just now beeped on camera. Okay, cuttage has labeled. Thank you. I assume that was for me.
It wasn't. All right.
It was gonna be hot. Hot. Broke my whip.
That's why that one wasn't for you.
Like that one's any cooler. I mean, it's dripping grease like real pizza.
Oh.
It's pizza. Not really great pizza though.
No.
A little bit bland, isn't it?
What I was gonna say is, you remember that pizza that you said the pizza dough was really bland?
Mm-hmm.
This pizza dough was blander than that.
Is that the Mike's or somebody else?
I think it was the Wild Mike's. But at least this one was cheaper. I think it needed more time.
Well, in its defense, our oven wasn't really up to temp either.
Guess we'll need a new oven.
TDS, topping delivery system. I invented it, I think.
Yes, this TDS is... Eh.
In fact, since you won't want any more, I'll just eat the rest of it. I didn't say all that.
I think I will have one more slice. So here's what you're gonna do. Watch some of our other box pizza videos. You can see the playlist on our end card.
Spoiler alert, some of them are better.
Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna put this in the oven, and in a minute, we're gonna taste test it for you.
More like 23 minutes, but you should
Let
make them
me-
wait.
I should make you wait the full 23 minutes?
And show real time what a cooking pizza looks like.
No. You want them to go whoop.
Well, they already clicked off anyway.
Uh,
Maybe it's time to pick up a new camera trick.
It's going to be ready just like this.
Well, that is the other one everyone does. It's all about me. Wah. Ah.
Wait, this is the shirt I was wearing when I stabbed the blender.
Okay.
By the way, we got a new slim blender spatula.
But we're still using the old one because
We
it's still
are.
a spatula. It just has a flat tip instead of a round tip.
Yup, we're back to making Monday kitchen videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see new content every week. Come back this Wednesday to see something new. See you next time. Bye.